Hello YouTube and welcome Diecast family to another Truck and Stuff Thursday. First up, I'm going to show you a custom I made. I made this for a guy at work. He drives an Avalanche that looks identical to this. Pretty close to the same year and everything. Might be like an 05 or looks just like this though. It's white with chrome door handles and a chrome gas tank and a set of rims on it. So I made this because you can tell he takes a lot of pride in it. He doesn't know I made this for him, and I forgot to show it before I sealed it in here, so it's already sealed in here. I'm gonna give it to him just like this. Matchbox never made a white variation of this as far as I know. Next up, we got a M2 model kit. Gonna go ahead and crack this open, throw it together. It's been a while since I built an M2 model kit. I was thinking about doing it in real time. I don't know if I will or not. Sometimes they can be a pain in the butt to build. And I may have just sliced my finger on the damn plastic. Now, first up, get a Chevy lift. That's pretty cool. And inside the kit, you get two different engine variations. That's very, very awesome. And two different wheel and rim tire, or wheel and tire combo. I think I'll go with the chrome wheels, but the white letter tires. And probably the engine here on the right. So, let's go ahead and start putting this together. As I already lost an engine. Your axles come in this little baggie that was under the screwdriver. Just trying to take everything out right now. And of course I dropped the engine. And I don't see it. There it is. Alright. Now I'll definitely be using the M2 lift on something. Just gotta unscrew the base. Oh, there's 3 screws. There we go. Got the base off. Now I can install the engine. Alright, engine's in. Now we just gotta do the wheels. And they are different lengths, so I'm assuming the shorter ones go on the back. And it's cool they send you 4 sets. So if you decide to switch them, you don't have to reuse the same axles. Or if you do customs like me, it's like getting a free set of tires buying these. When I first started customizing and it was hard for me to get real riders, I actually used to buy these model kits and just take the tires off them. Now, these tires can be pretty hard to press in here sometimes. I say that and I do this one on video and it went right together. Imagine that. Then you just gotta kind of push on them to get them round and seated on the rim right. And put the axle in one side. And stick it through. Like that. And we put it on the other side. And there you go. Now we'll do this other set, screw it together and be done. So this is pretty much real time at how long it takes. Only paused it once for a second when I unscrewed it from the base over there. I say that, and now the last tire is giving me a hard time. Just tapped in the axle a little bit. Push it through, get the other one. Sometimes it can be a little hard to push them on, and you really don't want to force it, because if it happens to pop through, it will go through your finger. I've had it happen more than once with these M2s, and let me tell you, it really, really hurts, because the M2 axles are quite thick. And I'm really having trouble getting these two together. I'm gonna get it this time though. There, now we got it. I just had to hit it a lot harder. Alright, let's get this all put together. Got 3 screws here. And they're different lengths. Absolutely. Why would they? Why wouldn't they be different lengths? Put the longest one in the center just because it kind of made sense. Two shorter ones on the ends. That's done. So you can expect to spend, well, I showed a custom, 6 to 8 minutes to build one of these. And I really like it in the Chevy deco. And like I said, you get a Chevy lift, so that's pretty cool. Get a Chevy lift. Happy with the wheel choice I made. And next, now I still have to get the F-150, the Jeep, and the Baja Bouncer. But we got the Ford Bronco and the Datsun Sunny truck to check out. This is a 75 Datsun Sunny truck. B120. Then next we got the Ford Bronco R, which both of these might be new toolings. The Jeep isn't, but it might be new for the premium. The F-150 Lightning I feel like's been out in the premium. And the Baja Bouncer, that might be new for the premium. Crazy if they all were new for the premium. So this is Hot Wheels Car Culture. Doesn't say the name of the set. If anybody knows, oh, Hyper Haulers, there it is. Only says it on the back at the top, Hyper Haulers. Definitely need to get the other 3 in the set. I do try to complete almost all the car cultures. I don't think I'm missing too many of them, except for the first Japan Historics one. Nice set of real riders on there. I like them little tiny 4 spokes on this. Then the Ford Bronco. This thing looks pretty damn mean. I like it. I really like it. It looks pretty awesome. Then the next one I got to show you here is going to be the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor in the Hot Wheels ID. I missed out on the Camaro yesterday and I missed out on the camo version of this, and I don't even know why I buy RLC membership. It seems like I end up missing out on most everything. Another local collector told me he has 2 accounts, one he logs onto with his computer and one he logs onto with his phone. He said he hits add to cart at the same time on both of them. And he said to this day, he has not got something that he's put in his cart from his computer. But he said whenever he puts something in his cart from his phone, it always ends up selling out. And that's a problem I have. And the only thing I have to get on there with is my phone. But for some reason, there's a lag with the phone, and it takes longer, and it lowers your chance of being able to get a RLC piece. So if you live on the East Coast, anyways, your best bet's a computer with a fast connection, I guess. Little rant, sorry. Could go on and on about an RLC rant, though. And that's all I got to show you for this Thursday trucking stuff. Ford Raptor looks pretty damn awesome with full detail, front and back. Kind of crazy graphics on it though. The wheel choice ain't bad. Kind of like these wheels are putting on the ID cars. The Bronco's pretty damn awesome. Datsun's cool. Cool paint scheme on it. And of course, the M2's probably my pick of the day. So let me know which one was your guys' favorite. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like. And definitely leave comments. Have an awesome day.